Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm is probably the stinkiest yet the most addictive street food of Hanoi cuisine. With overpowering smell, the dish could very well become a challenge for international visitors. But to many Hanoians, it's a must-have if you want to have an authentic culinary experience of Vietnamese cuisine. Let's get cooking!
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
A modern version of Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm is served in a bamboo tray, full of different toppings such as green sticky rice patties, grilled intestines, crispy and tangy sausages, and boiled pork, etc. To make chả cốm or green sticky rice patties, you will need 50 g of minced pork, 100 g of pork paste or giò sống, 50 g of green sticky rice, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 egg. First, combine the green sticky rice with 2 tablespoons of beaten egg. Mix well and leave to sit for about 10 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pork mince, pork paste, the green sticky rice and egg mix. Season with some stock powder, pepper, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Put on gloves and mix well. When it all comes together, divide and shape into patties. Place on a greased plate and refrigerate for about 1 hour. Then steam for about 15 minutes so the green sticky rice can bloom well. Then pat dry and pan fry until golden brown on both sides. The patties are crispy on the outside, succulent and juicy on the inside, with the glutinous green sticky rice, very fragrant and delicious. You can serve chả cốm as a snack at a dish or serve as the topping on Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm tray. Another classic topping for the Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm tray is grilled intestine. With the beautiful golden shiny glaze, grilled intestine has become one of the favorite toppings on the Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm tray. It's very crucial to prepare the small intestine well before cooking. Insert a small piece of ginger and let it run through the intestine. This will push away all the smelly parts inside. Repeat 3 times, then place the intestine in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, massage for about 3 minutes and then rinse well. Then wash the intestine once more time with some salt and vinegar. Then rinse a few times under running water to make sure that it's all clean and no longer smelly. Place a tablespoon of minced garlic and shallot on a tea cloth and squeeze out the juice. Combine the intestine with the garlic and shallot juice, a teaspoon of fish sauce, some stock powder, 1½ teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of annatto oil, a teaspoon of satay mix. Mix well and leave to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can grill the intestine over charcoal or in an air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Brush with some honey to achieve a golden look, then cut into bite-sized pieces. It's golden, shiny, crunchy, and slightly chewy. It adds a really interesting texture to your Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm set. Next, cut the tofu into about 2-inch cubes. Pat dry and deep fry until golden brown on the outside, but the inside is still soft and juicy. Boiled pork trotter is another must-have toppings on the modern Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm tray. Remove the bone from the pork leg. Lay out on a flat surface, season with salt and pepper, some smashed and minced shallots, stock powder. Then roll it up and use kitchen twine to tie into a log, making sure the pork skin fully covers the log. You can steam or boil the pork leg with some salt, smashed shallots, and sliced onion for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size. Then transfer to a bowl of ice cold water, leave to cool completely, and chill in the fridge for a few hours before cutting into thin slices. One indispensable part of Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm is of course the mắm tôm, which is a fermented shrimp sauce that northern Vietnamese people love so much. Combine 3 tablespoons of the fermented shrimp sauce with 2 tablespoons of sugar in a large bowl. Add some MSG if you like and a tablespoon of rice wine. Stir really well and leave to sit for about 1 hour for the flavors to develop. Next, heat some oil until smoky and pour into the surface of the shrimp sauce. When the oil hits the sauce, it should make a sizzling sound. When you serve, squeeze in the juice of a few kumquats, then beat well until foamy. Then add minced garlic, chili, and lemongrass. Mix well. Cut cucumber into thick slices. The noodles used in Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm are rice vermicelli but pressed into patties and cut into cubes, giving them a harder and firmer texture. Now arrange everything on a bamboo tray. Add some lettuce and fresh herbs like perilla. There you have a delicious and abundant modern set of Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm. Such a treat. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like, share the video if you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Vietnamese food. See you next time. Bye!